Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade fabric flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. First, take random flower petals. Any petal shape is fine. Then, draw the petal shape on a paper. This is the petal shape that I used to make this flower. Cut the flower shape. Next, use a marker to draw this shape into a beverage can. Like this. The beverage can will be a little difficult to cut, so I use larger scissors. This will be our template. I use viscose fabric for this flower. This fabric has a unique texture, as you can see. It has a straight line texture. So I will cut with this direction. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting with the template we just made. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, you can see in the description below. This is the shape that I use for this flower. Make 13 pieces and I will show you how to assemble this. Prepare needle and thread. Fold this in half like this and stitch. We will stitch 8 pieces for the bottom layer of the flower. Now tie a knot to secure the thread. Make another one like this with only 5 pieces for the top layer of the flower. like this. Attach these two pieces together. Take stamen or pistil. I like to use two colors. We will attach this to the center of the flower. Use hot glue to secure. To finish this, cut and secure with hot glue. Our beautiful flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.